In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Quicksilver Virtual Card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can set up and acquire a Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards card. When you acquire one of these standard cards, you will also be eligible to get a virtual card. A virtual card allows you to create a card whenever needed, and they are great and secure ways to pay because you can use them as disposable cards, you can lock them when you aren't using them anymore, and of course, it's a very convenient thing to do. You will be able to do it inside of the app, and the only requirement is that you acquire your Quicksilver card first. So either go to the app or to the website and apply for a Quicksilver card from Capital One. After you are approved for a standard Quicksilver card, the virtual card is also going to be included, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use it. Through the Capital One mobile app, you will be able to generate a card and see all of its details. Once you have all of the details about the virtual card, all that you have to do is include the 16-digit card number, the expiration, and a security code on any website or service that accepts payments by credit or debit cards. It is going to act like a regular credit card, and you will be able to make purchases online and even add the card to a virtual wallet such as the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, so you can use services like Apple Pay or Google Pay to issue payments. Of course, keep in mind that virtual cards are temporary and typically expire after a single use or a set period, and they are best used for online shopping where you don't expect to show a physical card. Of course, depending on the specific Quicksilver card that you choose, there are going to be more pros and more features, so always select the card that is best for you. But using the card is extremely simple, and all that you have to do is apply for one here. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Quicksilver Virtual Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.